In this class we will know the interface, the template and the tools that will be used for the design of metal structures in Inventor. Let's get started. When we open Inventor, we are directed to the software home screen. On this screen we can open the last saved projects, choose the template we want to work with and even configure templates. In this window we have all the templates groups and, as we will work on the metric system, we click on metric to enable the templates configured for this system. For the metric system, Inventor provides the templates already configured according to the DIN standard, or configured to millimeter more comprehensively. When we already know the profile of the component and we will only draw it, without going through any calculation step, we use the standard template IPT. When it is necessary to design, that is, to create an element, we use the standard template EOM. In general, we will use the standard template EOM, which is the same as used for assemblies. Because it is in it that the tools for creating and editing metal structures are found. Therefore, we will model in millimeters and the saved file will have the .ipt extension. The tools we will use in this course are in the Design tab, which contains all the tools for designing machine elements and metal structures. However, we will focus only on tools for creating and editing components of metal structures, which are organized in the frame group. Note that we can insert elements of metal structures, change, edit, calculate and reuse components. Still in this group we have a very important tool that we will also use in this course, which is the Frame Analysis tool, also found in the Environments tab. And so we end this class, where we know the template that will be used for the design of metal structures. And we saw how to access the tools for creating and editing these components.